and welcome to the CP Training Center. I'm William Mouillet, Global Product Manager for Assembly Tools, and today we'll be learning about the CPLinQ app and how it can be used along with CP's cordless connected tools. We'll go step by step through CPLink's process quality features to help you get set up quickly and ensure you're taking full advantage of all the value-add benefits that come with every CP tool. CPLinQ is available for all Android and iOS phones and tablet devices. To ensure optimal performance, be sure to download the most up-to-date operating system for your device. To find links to the Google Play and Apple App Store, visit cp86.cp.com and select CPLinQ from the main menu. To download the CPLinQ app on Android devices, simply go to the Google Play Store on your home screen, find the search feature, and type in CPLinQ, CPLinQ, and click search, and then finally install. To download CPLinQ on iOS devices, go to the App Store from your device's home screen, find the search feature, and type in CPLinQ, CPLinQ, and click search, and then download. Once the CPLinQ app has been successfully downloaded, open the app to begin the process of creating a new account. To create a new account, click the Create Your Account button in the middle of the page. Let's begin by entering the required and optional information. The first is the country in which you're located. In this case, I'll leave it as the United States. Enter your first name. Let's enter John, and last name Smith, and then the company that they work for. We'll use customer XYZ. You can enter their job title. So let's enter Operations Manager. And then finally, we can select their preferred units of measure. In this case, we'll leave it as Newton meters. Next, you'll be prompted to create login credentials. Enter a valid email address that will serve as a login ID. It's important to note that this email address will be used for a future account authentication step, so be sure to have your email account available to complete this process. So we've entered our email address. The next step is to create a password that complies with the requirements just listed below. Next, click Register. After reviewing the licensing agreement and terms and conditions, scroll to the bottom and click Accept. At this point, an email with an 8-digit authentication number will be sent to the email address provided. Enter this number to confirm the account, and congratulations, you've created your own CPLinQ account. After logging into the CPLinQ app, you'll be brought to the main menu. Now it's time to add a tool to our fleet. To add a new tool to your fleet, Bluetooth needs to be activated on your device. After verifying Bluetooth is enabled, go back to the CPLinQ main menu and click the Add button. The app will automatically begin trying to detect nearby CP tools. Once a tool is detected, the model name of the tool will appear on the screen. To add the tool to your fleet, simply click the Add button to the right. Success! The tool is now in your fleet inventory. Please note that once a tool has been added to a fleet, it cannot be added to another user's fleet. If a tool is already associated with another account, it will appear as a detected tool in light gray, but you will receive a warning at the bottom of the screen stating the tool is associated with another account. After adding a tool to your fleet, you might notice the default name of the tool is its model number. And as your tool fleet grows, it may become confusing to have multiple tools listed by the same model name. This is why CPLinQ offers the ability to change the name of the tool to something relevant for your operation. Next, let's learn how to do that. To rename the tool, go to the main menu and find the tool you wish to rename. Click on it. Next, go to the Tools menu at the top of the screen and scroll over to the Actions tab. As mentioned, the default name of the tool is its model number, and to rename, simply click on the Edit button and change the model name. In this case, we will assign the tool to Bay 1, and then click Save. And as we head back to the main menu, you'll see that the name of the tool has been successfully changed. Also included in the Tools Action menu is the Find My Tool and Lock My Tool functionality. To activate either feature, simply press the Find or Lock icons. The Find feature sends a signal to the tool, generating an audible alert that is easily heard over general shop or production environment noise. The Lock feature allows supervisors additional control over when and how the tool is being used. CP's connected, quality, and torque check models can all be controlled with or without the CPLinQ app. To change the tool's control mode, select the tool from the main menu and then go to P-Sets. In the P-Sets menu, you will find a two-way toggle button that allows users to select either Favorites or Open Setup mode. Favorites mode allows supervisors to assign P-Sets to the tool according to the job. Once set, these P-Sets cannot be changed by the operator. Open Setup mode gives operators full control over torque and angle values. Rest assured, operating in Open Setup mode does not mean loss of data. Tightening information is stored locally until the tool is placed within Bluetooth range of the managing device. All locally stored tightening values will then be automatically transmitted to the CPLinQ app and available to you within the reporting features. Once a tool has been added to your fleet, you can perform several basic maintenance functions directly from the main menu using the Quick Tools option available on each tool's tile. The first step is to locate the Quick Tools icon in the upper right-hand corner of the desired tools tile and press it. You will then be presented with a list of options at the bottom of the screen. You can download tightening results, utilize the Find My Tool feature, use the Lock My Tool feature, or even remove a tool from your fleet. CP connected tools are offered in 3 trim levels, with traceability and value increasing at each step. The first trim level is our C, or connected model. C models allow supervisors to control process quality via torque and angle P-Sets created and assigned within the CPLinQ app. The tool also provides automatic maintenance and operation alerts to notify managers of routine preventative maintenance and calibration cycles. Finally, All torque and angle tightening values are saved within the CPLinQ app. Next is our CQ, or Connected Quality Model. Building onto the C platform, CQ models include bolt pattern sequencing in the P-set, as well as enhanced, customizable tightening reports. TC, or torque check models, offer the highest level of value-add features. TC models are the only tools on the market with the ability to check actual torque values without advancing the fastener. If the fastener's torque value falls below accuracy thresholds, the operator can apply torque to bring the fastener to required specifications. Now that we understand the difference between connected models, let's learn how to create P-sets for each trim level. We'll start with our C model. To begin, find the tool under the fleet heading of the main menu and click on it. Select P-sets from the tool's menu, and the first step is to ensure your tool is in favorites mode. Next, click on one of the tiles with the plus symbol in the middle. These are your available P-set fields. After clicking the plus tile, you'll be taken to your P-set library. At this point, you can either choose from an existing P-set or create a new one. To create a new P-set, click the plus tile. The first question you'll be asked is whether you want to create a torque or angle P-set. For this example, we will choose torque and then click create to proceed. Next, we'll name the P-set. I recommend naming the P-set with something relevant to the job or operation being performed. We'll name the P-set Flange Type 1. Next, we'll enter the torque value of 325, change our unit to measure to Newton meters, and then to create the P-set, simply click Add. As you can see, the P-set is now in your P-set library, and to assign it to the tool, simply click on the P-set. Here you'll see an operator adding torque and angle P-sets to a CP8613. As you can see, based on the tool's flashing lights and the illuminated Bluetooth icon, the tool and the app are communicating. After a few simple clicks, the P-sets are loaded and the tool is ready for use. CQ model P-set creation is nearly identical to C models, but with the added sequencing feature. By activating the sequencing feature, the job will not be complete until all fasteners in the sequencing pattern have been tightened to specifications. For this example, we will create a 90-degree angle P-set for the same Flange Type 1. To activate this sequencing feature, simply press the toggle and enter the number of fasteners in the sequence, in this case 6. To create the P-set, click Add, and as you can see, the P-set is now in your P-set library, and to assign it to the tool, simply click on it. In this example, you'll see an operator performing a 6-bolt flange sequence using a CP8613. With every successful tightening, the tool will flash green, indicating a positive result. The torque value is captured locally, and the sequence counter advances to the next bolt in sequence. Once the tool is within Bluetooth range of the managing device, all locally stored tightening data will be automatically transferred to the CPLinQ app. To complete the sequence, simply press the back button, followed by the check mark to confirm. Now let's learn how to create torque check P-sets using the CP8609 eBlueTork. As a reminder, the torque check feature is used to determine the current torque value for a fastener without further advancement of the nut. If the tool senses the fastener is under torqued, it will automatically apply torque and bring the fastener up to specification. And for every instance where torque has to be applied, it will be noted in the reporting data. To activate the torque check feature, simply create a torque preset at the specified torque value for your application. Truck type 1 at 550 Newton meters. To activate torque check, simply press the toggle. Please note that the CP8609 is capable of both clockwise and counterclockwise tightening. So please ensure your torque check preset thread direction matches your torque application preset. To activate the sequencing function, click the sequencing toggle and enter the number of fasteners. To create the preset, press Add. To assign it to the tool, simply click on the preset. In this example, the operator is performing a 10-bolt torque check sequence on a semi-truck tire. Results that fall within the accuracy threshold of the tool are confirmed with a green check. If a fastener is found to be under torque, the tool will automatically apply the torque necessary to bring the fastener up to specifications. You'll also receive a visual indication with the wrench, arrow, check mark icon. Presets for the CP89 eTorque electronic torque wrench differ slightly from the CP86 presets previously discussed. The main differences are A, the ability to adjust high and low side accuracy to the operations requirements, and B, the option to include rehit detection when torquing fasteners. Rehit detection senses when torque has already been applied to a fastener and is therefore not counted as part of the tightening sequence. To create a preset for the CP89, go to the Presets option in the Tools menu, choose the Add button, and then Create New. We will create a torque preset by the name of Vehicle 1 at a torque value of 100 foot-pounds with a low side accuracy of -3% and a high side accuracy of +3%. To enable the torque check feature, simply toggle on. In this case, we'll toggle off and reactivate rehit detection. As you might have noticed, the torque check feature and rehit detection cannot be active at the same time on one preset. You have to first create a torque preset with rehit detection and then a second preset for torque check only. To activate the sequencing option, push the toggle and enter the number of fasteners. Click Add to create the preset. Click the preset to assign it to the tool. Over time, as your fleet grows, your catalog of presets will likely increase considerably. To help you manage this potentially large volume of presets, CPLinQ has filtering options that give users the ability to narrow the scope of relevant results. Filter options include presets by model, by type, angle, torque, or torque check, and finally, units of measure, Newton meters or foot-pounds. To use these filtering options, simply choose the type of filter you would like to apply and press the selection box to the right and then validate. Multiple filters can be used in combination for the most precise results. CP's Quick Reports feature is a great way to generate unfiltered tightening data for a specific tool over a predetermined period of time. To access Quick Reports, select the relevant tool from your fleet and Quick Reports is the first menu option available. Quick Reports provides you with complete tightening data over the last hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, or 8 hours that the tool was in operation. And for CQ and TC models, Quick Reports data can be sent directly from the CPLinQ app via your preferred communication method simply by clicking the Export button. CPLinQ provides users with a wide range of filter options to create customized tightening reports relevant to their operation. To access the Reports feature, click the Reports icon at the bottom center of the main menu. A dashboard will appear with default, unfiltered results. To begin making changes, click the Filters option in the upper left-hand side. Now we'll begin going through the various filter options, starting with specific dates and times. For example, to see results for an 8-hour shift on a specific day, click the From row and use the roller wheels to select the date the shift began, and then the time. Press Confirm. Then select the day the shift ended, the time the shift ended, and then confirm. Next, the Types filter option allows users to narrow report data down to the specific operation that was performed. Torque, torque check, angle, and reverse operations are all available to be reported individually. And as previously mentioned, even while the tool is being used in open setup mode, all tightening and reverse operations are captured and available. Continuing with our example, we're only interested in viewing torque and torque check results over the 8-hour period. To remove angle, open setup, and reverse results, simply press the icons. Next, the thread type filter option allows users to filter torque results by clockwise or counterclockwise tightening. In this case, we'll deselect counterclockwise tightening. Next, to view tightening data for specific P-sets, simply press P-set name and then choose Unselect All. You can then choose as many P-sets as you'd like to be included in the report. To further refine the report, CPLinQ allows users the ability to narrow tightening data down to the tool or tools that were used for the job. To select the tool, click into the Tools Name row, choose Unselect All, and then select the tool or tools that were used for the job, and then press Apply. The final option is to determine what type of result to include in the report. CPLinQ allows users to choose only OK results, only not OK results, or both. To select what is included, simply use the toggles next to the row. To generate your report, select the See Results icon at the bottom of the screen.